Officials in Louisiana are telling residents that the time to leave is over. They've got to hunker down where they are and start to get ready for this storm. Ida expected to make landfall early tomorrow afternoon, 16 years to the day Katrina hit the Crescent City. Our Robert Arnold is in New Orleans tonight. So, Robert, how are people handling things? How are they getting ready?
Well, first, I want to tell you, we've been following flood authority crews around for the last few hours as they've been closing these large gates here on Lake Pontchartrain because weather officials are predicting a large surge to come off of the lake. And yes, as you've been mentioning, they're telling people they need to be where they're going to be. The mayor, in fact, today said you need to be where you're going to be by midnight because she says come tomorrow morning, conditions are going to go downhill fast.
This is going to be bad. This is going to be the worst thing that happened to this parish.
Barry Rogers has lived in Terrebonne Parish for 63 years. Family ties in his fishing business are keeping him here.
Can't leave my father, and I can't leave my boat.
Mandatory evacuations have been in effect for Louisiana's southern parishes. Many shrimpers and fishermen brought their boats to Houma, hoping Ida's surge doesn't destroy their livelihood. For many, Ida's strength and predicted landfall are drawing too many parallels to Katrina.
Last time for Katrina, I lost everything. So I know the devastation about the storm.
Scott Williamson lives in Plaquemines Parish. The devastation from Katrina forced him to move his family to Oklahoma for 10 years. They finally moved back 6 years ago. They're evacuating now in hope they have a home to return to.
Home is home, you know, but if I lose everything this time, I'm not coming back. No, it don't make sense. I'm getting old and it don't make sense to come back.
Businesses are closed and gas pumps are dry. Louisiana now waits for Ida's arrival. In New Orleans, there wasn't enough time to call for a full-scale evacuation. Tonight, crews are busy closing levees and floodgates around Lake Pontchartrain.
They're expecting a 7-foot surge into the marina.
For Patricia Cave, seeing this gate close brings not a sense of dread, but protection.
Keep the surge either from coming in this way, if the surge comes through the marina, or what happened in Katrina when the 17th Street Canal flooded, which was less than a mile away. It actually kept our condominium safe from the floodwaters coming in that way.
One other thing we learned about this entire process is the people who are on the other side of this gate are not stuck there. These stairs remain open so people can walk out of the area if they need to. Reporting live from New Orleans, Robert Arnold, KPRC 2 News.
All right, Robert, stay safe out there.